Hello pop-uppers, I'm Cheche. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these little cute pop-up flowers. Are you ready? Keep watching! The pop-up flowers in the beginning of the video are actually very small, so I'm going to make a bigger one first in order for you to see clearly how I made it. Let's make a square depending on what size you want, but this sample is 2 inches by 2 inches. After that, cut the upper part to create the shape of the petals. Then, cut one triangle out. If you want, you can color it to make it more beautiful. This is now the sample, but as you can see, I already made the smaller versions because I just want the smaller ones. I made 9 flowers, but actually I only need 7 of them. Then, connect them one by one. You can use any glue in this. Here it is. This is the look of our pop-up flowers. Put some glue here, front and back, to stick it onto the paper. Ta-da! Here it is, our pop-up flowers. Then, let's add some leaves. I feel like adding some more elements like little bees will make our pop-up illustration look more realistic and creative. I just used this very small bee and a transparent plastic. Yay! This is the finished product of our pop-up illustration. I want to know your opinion about this, so your comments are very much appreciated. This is my sketchbook which I turned into a journal. This spread is just the first week of the month, so I hope that I can show you more of my pop-up illustrations in the next coming weeks. I will share with you the look of the first spread of my journal. Ta-da! It's January. This is also pop-up. Look at this thing here. You can see the tab attached onto the paper. So when you close it, it will just lie flat. And when you open it, it pops up. That's it. So that is our pop-up illustration for this week. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye-bye.